Udit ji is a living legend in this country. Suresh ji, of course, one has known thanks to Jayanti Ben. I only want to say this for you, Komal, that whatever you give a woman, she makes greater. If you give her a sperm, she'll give you a baby. If you give her a house, she'll give you a home. If you give her groceries, she'll give you a meal. If you give her a smile, she gives you her heart. She multiplies and enlarges whatever is given to her. But remember, Monty, if you give her crap, she'll give you double the crap. The only thing I realized that one...
कुछ ऐसे आर्टिस्ट भी आज मौजूद हैं यहाँ पर, मैं जिनको बुलाना भी चाहूँगा स्टेज पर, जो जुड़े रहे हमसे। इसकी सारी प्रोग्रामिंग जो हुई थी वो आज है नहीं बॉम्बे में, मैं उनका नाम ज़रूर लूँगा, मेरे वो भी छोटे भाई जैसे ही हैं, भाई हैं एक्चुअली, राजू शंकर जी, वो आज टूर पे हैं, तो उनके लिए भी एक ज़ोरदार तालियाँ यहाँ पर बनती हैं। देन आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट राजेश राजभट टू कम ऑन स्टेज, जिन्होंने बहुत सुंदर सा तबला बजाया है, स्टेज पे बुलाना चाहूँगा जल्दी। और मेरी पूरी टीम को हम लोग थोड़ा सा आई थिंक मुझे आगे आना पड़ेगा, यू नो दे डिजर्व 5 मिनट और दूंगा तालियों के आपके, दे रियली वर्क वेरी हार्ड ऑन दिस। प्लीज राजेश जी ज्वाइन करें, दीपक जी आइए स्टेज पे। ऑल्सो आई विल इनवाइट दी सुपर, जिन्होंने सारे जादू दिखाए थे, द आरडीसी ग्रुप, और मेरे बच्चे हैं ये बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, प्लीज गिव देम अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज। ऑन द साइड, वेरी गुड। काफिला काफी बड़ा है, देखिए एक शो करने के लिए क्या क्या कितने लोगों की जरूरत होती है। वेरी गुड। देन आई हैव माय 2 ब्यूटीफुल स्टूडेंट्स दैट ऑल्सो यू सॉ, बहुत सीनियर हैं, और मुग्धा उसमें मेरी असिस्टेंट्स भी रही हैं इस शो को, और कोमल को ट्रेन करने में काफ़ी उसका सहयोग रहा। प्लीज वेलकम मुग्धा एंड सरिता ऑन स्टेज। और भी टीम, राजन ऑन लाइट्स, ही हैज़ रियली वर्क वेरी हार्ड। मैं शायद कुछ लोगों के नाम भूल रहा हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे ना ये ऑडियंस का टाइम का बड़ा टेंशन रहता है कि कोई नाम सुने बगैर चले नहीं जाए, तो बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे जुड़े हुए हैं। मैं फॉरगेटिंग एनीबॉडी? लिस्ट है? ओहो, एक और हैं जो जिनके बगैर मेरे मूवमेंट पॉसिबल नहीं, माय मैनेजर एंड सुरभि ऑन स्टेज प्लीज, एंड ऑल माय अदर स्टूडेंट्स, मुग्धा, नम्रता ऑन स्टेज, who's been the back support, Zoya, Komal's team, ये सारी, और ये सारे लोग इस तरफ आ जाओ। Kids should not cover the scenes. Go back. Let them come in front. Yeah, very good. और योगेश भाई, आपका भी हक बनता है स्टेज पे आना, क्योंकि योगेश भाई ने ये सारी कारीगरी जो है इन्हीं की थी। अरे हेलो, also one named Kamlesh who did our LEDs, Ram Birwani who did Komal's photo shoot, जो आपके पास brochures पहुँचे हैं ज़रूर पढ़िएगा, you'll get great informations. There are a lot of production team, AM has dance company, my team, who's been doing, I don't know, I might forget somebody's name. हाँ, Bhuvan for makeup. Bhuvan, can I have you on stage please? ये हमारा एक छोटा सा परिवार है। आई थिंक आई शुड जस्ट से बुकेज है ना, मैं आपको सबको जाते टाइम दे दूंगा क्योंकि टाइम नहीं है। लेडीज जेंटलमैन, थैंक यू। अच्छा, कोमल डजंट वांट टू एंड इट लाइक दिस, शी वांट्स टू स्पीक। तो कोमल के बाद कोई बात नहीं करेगा, ये बात पक्की है पूरी ऑडियंस की, ठीक है ना?
I'm not a good talker like my mentor, but I think this was the best day for me. I love you, Mom. I know you're here, anywhere, everywhere around me, and I miss you too much. This is your day, and I have achieved what you always wanted. It's my mentors and my days, so I should start with this. It's a little emotional, but I'm going to go for it. Please keep clapping if I make some mistakes in English. When I entered in your academy, this day seemed so far, simply impossible. It was impossible for me to even stand in front of 1,000 people and dance. Only my mentor, my guru, believed in me and connected me to my passion. At this stage of being a wife, a mother, he made me believe in myself and my potential that I can dance, and there are no age barriers. Having you as a guru is the best experience of my life. I found that moment. There were times when I gave up completely, but my guru pushed me further, reminding me it was not mine but my mother's dream, and that I had to accomplish. Dream of my life began with a teacher who really believed in me. All that I am, or I hope to be, I owe it to you. Thank you for all your support. And friends, it doesn't end here. Today's show would not be the same without the tireless effort of my husband, Monty. What do I even say about him? Words are not enough. All I can gather is eventually my show was his dream more than mine. Days went, I lost confidence in myself. He was the one who supported me, encouraged me that I have to complete my dream, and I have done it. Monty. This win is not mine alone, it's ours. Thank you. It wouldn't have been, thank you actually is a understatement, but my respect to you is beyond words. Heartful appreciation, yes, we have done it. Oceans do not be oceans without efforts of single drop is a joint effort of my friends and my family. My dad, I love you. He must be missing my mom and he was simply must be crying, but I miss my mom too. My sister, who has never let me felt once also that I don't have my mom around me. She's an angel and she's always played a role of my mother and she's still playing it. My friends, Ashita, Yachna, Uncle Poonam, I love you all so much. Yogesh, he's another brother to me today. I really am very touched. And lot of friends, family, my in-laws, Mummy, Papa, Dipali, thank you, Biren Bhai, Bhabhi. I'm so happy today. And apart from everyone, the audience who is actually, my son is there, I remember yet. The audience who is not much interested in classical dancing, but they are there today just for me.
See, the house is full.
To make this occasion such a divine for me. I'm so thank you. And they say artist is incomplete without an audience. And actually, I'm really, really thank you for all your support, your time, giving all this to me at this time and making this dream of my mother come true. Thank you.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and good night. We will see you soon.
What would you like to say? आज आपका debut performance, stage performance है. क्या कहना चाहेंगे? कितनी excitement है?
I'm actually was a little bit nervous, but now I'm super excited. I'm just waiting for someone, few lines from my mentor to come to me that how I have performed. Maybe that nervousness will be, excitement will grow much better later
What
on.
is that you would like to say? What has gone into making the show so wonderful today?
It was a lot of passion, a lot of confidence, and I guess a lot of support of these two people around me. I think that was the only thing which I have got with me, and I'm going ahead with that.
We had Udit here today as a guest of our China experience. What would you like to say?
I'm really honored to have them, and I hope the concept of this show has been understood and they would really understand the dance is a beautiful medium to actually heal a lot of sufferings and emotional stress and pain without medications. So I think we are blessed to have a beautiful form of art, dance and music. So we should take this thing ahead. dance with healing are there are a lot of postures, mudras, and emotions which are connected to dance. And through dance, as a beautiful modality, we can release all these negative patterns within our human body, which are deep down in our subconscious mind. We can release all this without any kind of counseling or going through any conscious talking and going through a lot of digging. Otherwise, this is a beautiful process where you release a lot of negative patterns just through dancing.
Yet another Russia. What do you have to say about today's presentation?
वैसे जर्नी तो बहुत कहते हैं ना कि माउंट एवरेस्ट चढ़ने वाली बात है, क्योंकि ये कला जो है कहते हैं कि लोहे के चने हैं, इनको चबाना बड़ा मुश्किल है। तो शिष्य को यही बताया जाता है कि डोंट टेक इट ईजी। और मैं कोमल के साथ लास्ट मिनट तक बहुत हार्ड था, बहुत नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है, नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है, क्योंकि जब गुरु ये कहता है कि नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है तो शिष्य उसको पाने के लिए अपनी जिद्दोजहद में लगा रहता है। और अब ये कह सकता हूँ कि वो जिद्दोजहद और मेरी मेहनत और कमर टूटना और ये वो रातों की नींद।
Well, I think the social message is that there's strength in family. That family, as evil as I am,